Hi everyone, it's Eleanor Barks here and welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about natural hair and beauty, so please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this stunning up-down hairstyle using my To All My Black Girls natural hair extensions. This is my second video in my To All My Black Girls series. If you have not watched the first one, go ahead and watch it right now. I will link it up in the cards for you. But if you want to see how I created this hairstyle, carry on watching. So I'm starting this hairstyle off on a 4-day-old shrunken wash and go. So my hair really isn't looking its best, but that's okay because I'm going to use my 22-inch kinky curly natural hair extension clip-ins by To All My Black Girls to bring my hair back to life. So I'm starting off by sectioning off some of my hair in the front, and I'm just going to tie that into a little bun. Next, I'm moving towards the back and I'm sectioning my hair layer by layer, starting with the 2 clip-ins at the very back just under the parting, and I increase the size of the clips as I move upwards. So to help blend in my natural hair with the hair extensions, after every clip-in I applied, I spray my hair and the extensions with a bit of water, some leave-in conditioner and a bit of gel, and I smooth this into both my hair and the extensions, and this just helps to blend in the two textures, as you can see. And when you get to your last layer of clip-ins, you want to make sure that you leave out some of your own hair just to cover the weft, because you don't want that to be seen, obviously. So cover it with some of your own hair, apply a little bit more water, leave-in conditioner and gel, and just blend in the two textures again. Now we're moving on to the hair in the front. So you're going to untie it, moisturize it with a bit of water, leave-in conditioner. Then you're going to take some gel and just smooth down the hair in the front and tie it into a ponytail. Once you have your ponytail secured, you're going to tie the hair into a bun. Don't tie the ponytail and the bun too tightly that you're pulling on your edges. Of course, we don't want to damage our hair, but you do want to make sure that it is nice and firm. So now I'm going to bulk up the bun, and I'm going to take a 2-clip in, and I'm going to clip it in at the base of my bun. So clip it in and then just twist the hair and tie it around the bun. Baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light. Once this is secured, you're going to take another 2-clip in, tie it at the base of the bun as well, and secure the hair around the bun. Then you're going to take your bobby pins and just make sure that all the hair is tucked in and get your bun as perfect as you would like it to be, and you are basically done. You can of course slick down your edges, pull out a little bit of hair on the sides, basically just round the style off as you would like it to be. But this is it, guys. Super easy. If you would like the same versatility when it comes to switching up your hairstyle, use my code Eleanor10 to save a bit of money when you shop the products from To All My Black Girls. It's always nice to save a little bit of coin where you can. But thanks so much for watching this video, everyone. I truly do appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past.